I want to review a few of the top email marketing services for beginning chiropractors in the email marketing world. Whether you're a new doc or a experienced doc, if email marketing is new to you, you might be looking at names like Aweber, Constant Contact, and wondering which is best for your practice. As somebody that is an email marketer at heart and has probably used them all, I want to break down a couple of the positives and negatives for each. Number one, I believe the best option for you, bar none, is utilizing Chiro Emails in Patient Pilot, not only because it's a fully featured email software service, but also because all of the content is there. It has been built out for you and can be personalized in an instant. That saves you a ton of time, effort, and energy, whereas if you go the MailChimp, Aweber, Constant Contact route, those are awesome services. However, when you sign up for that email service, none of the content's there, so you're gonna have to spend a ton of time building out your campaigns, your automations, and every bit and piece within that system. So those systems are great if you want to become an email marketer yourself. You can build a great platform on top of Keep, Constant Contact, Aweber, you name it. However, if you're looking to get better results faster, I'm gonna highly recommend Chiro Emails and Patient Pilot, not only because it encapsulates all of the primary features of those services you have heard of, MailChimp, Constant Contact, Aweber, Keep, but all of the campaigns specifically for you as a chiropractor are waiting there. We send over 1 million emails each and every month, so we understand what works and what doesn't. We can plug you in, get you started, help building that return on investment as soon as possible. So that is my best recommendations for an email marketing service for beginning chiropractors. Thank you so much for watching this video on the Smart Chiropractor. To not miss a single thing that's clinically oriented, marketing oriented, or more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel today.